Hello children, how are you? So today we are going to start the new unit, that is the last unit of the book, unit 11, measures. Okay, so what we are going to measure? We are going to measure the length, then the perimeter and area, mass and volume. Okay, all these things we are going to measure in this unit. Okay, so first we can start with length. Okay, first we can start with length. You in your small classes, as I told you, always I am saying the same thing. You already studied how to measure the length, how to measure the mass. Okay, all these things you are done in your small class, but again we can have a look here. Okay, so the first one, length. Okay, length, there are different units to measure length. You will be measuring your cutter by a different unit, you will be measuring a book by a different unit, you will be measuring the wall by a different unit. So all these things you will be measuring by different units. Okay, so first see, you can see a cutter there and a sharpener. Okay, then you can see, what is this? You can see a door there. Okay, and you can see a calculator there. Look here. So we are going to say how we can measure the units. What is the measuring units of this length? Okay, so whether the length of this sharpener, this calculator and the door are same? No, is it? The length of the sharpener is very small, length of the calculator is little more big, and length of the door is very big compared to other two. Okay, so for all these three we will be using different measuring units. Okay, so we are going to see in detail about the different types of measuring units for length. Same for mass and volume also we will be studying. First we can look for the measuring units for length. Okay, the smallest measuring unit for length is millimeter. What is it? You can see it is millimeter. Millimeter, and we will represent it by the alphabet to small m. Mm means millimeter. So millimeter is the smallest measuring unit for length. So you see, when we say for length, always this meter will be there. If it is small, we will say millimeter. See, a paper clip. Paper clip is very small, right? Or even an ant. It is very small. So if we want to measure the length of very small things like paper clip, and even if I want to measure my nail or eyelash, all these things I can do by millimeters because it is very small. When it comes to little more big, we will use centimeter, and we will represent it by cm, centimeter. Okay, look here, centimeter. Meter is always the same, meter. Then earlier case it was millimeter. Now it is centimeter. See, we are measuring the length of book. We are measuring the length of TV. So it is little more big than ant, paper clip and all, right? So we will be using centimeter. Then coming to little more big things, what we will use? We will use meter. Suppose I want to, you know, when you are going to some to buy clothes and all, we will buy in meters, is it? So here, see, the length of the tree, the length of big buildings, all these we will measure using meters. Meter is little more big than centimeter. So here also you can see meter. Actually meter is the basic unit for length. From this comes millimeter, centimeter, and the largest unit which you are going to study is kilometer. So the largest measuring unit of length which you are going to study is kilometer. When we will use kilometer? If you are saying about the distance between two places or like that. Okay, see, suppose I am saying the distance between Ruvi and Mabela, I will use kilometer. I will say this much kilometer is there, is it? Or if you are going from India to some other place, suppose India and Muscat, I am comparing, then we will say it is in kilometers, I can say. Okay, so kilometer is big, that means distance between cities and all I can measure using kilometers. Okay, so if I want to measure the length of tree or wall like that, I will use meter. So in this, for measuring length, we are studying 4 units for measuring length. That is, which are they? The starting from, which is the smallest one, We will start from millimeter, then comes centimeter, then comes meter, and the last one is kilometer. So the homework for length is page number 214. Okay. So let us try. Just go through this and do the homework and send me. And if you have any doubts, please clear with me. Okay. If you have any confusions. And see one more thing. I am sending the answers or the work of the students in the group. Please don't copy that. Okay. Because sometimes they are making mistakes and I am correcting that individually. I am just sending the works in the groups. So don't copy the answer. Whatever answer you are getting, you please send me. Okay. If it is wrong, I will explain that to you. Okay. So what's the first question? The first question is, tick the suitable units you would use to measure to indicate the length of these objects. The first one is sofa is given. So you need to say it is millimeter or centimeter or meter or kilometer. Which scale you will normally use to measure the length of this. Okay. So what do you think? In your house also, if you will be having sofas, so what will be your scale you will be using to measure that? Again, see, a notebook is there, which one you will use. Then a clip is there, which one you will use. A comp is there. So what you think is appropriate. Actually, you can use even the millimeter, small millimeters you join together and you can use it. But which will be the appropriate, the correct apt measuring unit? That is what you need to tick in these questions. Okay. Then see, double-decker bus is there. So just for an example, I am asking you, what do you think for this double-decker bus, which one you will use? Can you use a millimeter scale? You can, but it is really foolishness, is it? Small millimeter. Centimeter also. Centimeter also it is, we can use, but that is not the apt one. What do you think? Whether you need to use kilometer? No, kilometer means very big things we will measure, right? So which one will be apt in this case? It will be meter, is it? So only tick meter. Like that you can do this. This is page number 214. Okay, this is the homework.